This is an overview of the HyFlex VersaMax. This pump will pump products ranging from low density to high density, which will include fireproofing, acoustical plaster, and pump grade stuccos, and more. At the front of the VersaMax, under the enclosure, we have the engine. Here are the major components to the VersaMax engine. On the exterior of the engine enclosure, we have the control panel for the engine. This is the throttle for the engine, the start switch, the engine display, and the fuel gauge. Located below the control panel, we have the fuel fill with locking gas cap, and we have the fuel tank located below. At the front, we have the air outlet for the compressor. You can use the quick coupling feature, or there's a barb fitting to attach a hose with a clamp. On this side, we have the hydraulic oil fill, the sight gauge, which also has a temperature gauge, the main disconnect switch for the battery. Behind this cover is the battery. And now we will go under the hood of the VersaMax. Now that we have the hood open, these are the ball valves to shut off the oil flow. We have a hydraulic pump and the engine. Located next to the hydraulic pump is the battery. On this side of the engine, we have the hydraulic cooler and the air compressor. The next major point of interest on the VersaMax is the operator station. At the operator station, notice multiple components. This is the control box for the pump, the operator control box, which has the emergency stop switch, auto manual switch, on remote, left and right toggle, and the engage switch. Located below is the remote hookup. This is the hydraulic valve block for the pump controls, and below that are the controls for the mixer. On the back of the VersaMax is the 12 cubic foot hydraulic dump mixer. The components of the mixer are the grate, the mixer motor, and the hydraulic cylinders. On the side of the mixer tub, we have the water bar inlet, and we have the mixer cleanout. Located in the middle of the VersaMax is the hopper. This hopper will hold the capacity of the 12 cubic foot mixer. And now the pump components to the VersaMax. The transfer box oil fill, material cylinders, intake manifold, outlet manifold, valve bodies, pressure relief, manifold discharge pressure, and snap joint clamps. And now we will talk about the components to the VersaMax trailer. At the rear of the machine are adjustable legs. Before transport, ensure that these are properly secured. These are the 8-lug trailer wheels. Be sure before transport the tires are properly inflated and the lug nuts are torqued. There is a decal located on the fender. Please read the decal before transporting the unit. At the front of the trailer, we have the battery for the breakaway. This is very important. If the trailer ever breaks loose during transport, this will lock the brakes up. There is a switch located on the side. This will need to be hooked up for proper towing. The adjustable jack. The jack also is adjustable here, the trailer connection box, and the trailer hitch. This hitch is adjustable to fit a wide range of vehicles. Also attached at the hitch point are the trailer tow chains. Be sure that these are properly secured and the breakaway is hooked up before towing. Please read the safety decals and warning decals located on the trailer tongue for safe trailer operation. And this has been the overview of the HyFlex VersaMax.